My son is deaf and rides the bus to go to school. Recently, I asked his district for an interpreter to be on the bus because we've had some communication issues. I got an IEP meeting and we just had that on Friday. Yes, we got the interpreter, but I wanted to share with you guys the email that I sent to the district before our meeting. Transportation is a related service under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act when it is necessary for a child to access free appropriate public education. My child is deaf and is 5 years old, almost 6. Their primary language is ASL. Due to their age and disability, my child requires direct real-time communication access in all school programs and services, including transportation. School transportation involves safety-critical communication, including but not limited to driver instructions, emergency procedures and evacuations, behavioral or medical concerns, and unexpected changes or incidents. My child cannot hear verbal instructions and cannot independently access spoken communication on the school bus. Without a qualified sign language interpreter, my child cannot reliably understand instructions or communicate needs. This creates a significant safety risk, particularly given my child's young age. Under Title II of the Americans with Disabilities Act, public school districts are required to provide effective communication in all programs and services, including school-provided transportation. While the ADA does not mandate a specific accommodation by name, it does require the accommodation provided be effective for the individual child. For a young deaf child whose language is ASL, alternative methods such as gestures, lip reading, written notes, or observing peers are not developmentally appropriate or effective, especially in a moving vehicle or an emergency situation. Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act requires reasonable accommodations to ensure equal access and prohibits discrimination based on disability. Denying communication access during transportation places my child at a greater risk than hearing peers and denies equal access to a school service. This request is based on my child's individual needs, age, safety requirements, and legal rights, not on convenience, cost, staffing, duration of the bus ride, or past district practice. Training the bus driver does not replace real-time language access. The driver's primary responsibility is to safely operate the vehicle, not to interpret. My request is that a qualified sign language interpreter be provided during all school-provided transportation and that this service be documented in the IEP as a necessary related service. If the district refuses this request, I'm requesting that the refusal and specific reasons be documented in prior written notice. Thanks for reviewing this information in advance of the meeting. I just wanted to share so that maybe it might be helpful for another parent.